So here we have JDK 17 Windows 64-bit exe file, and now let's click on it to install it. Here we have to click on yes, and now it will take some time. And now next we have to click on next. Here we have the installation folder, in which folder we have to install. Here it's in disk drive C program files folder in Java in JDK 17. I have to click on next. Now it's updating and it's being installed. Let's wait for it.
TakeTones.com.
Now here we have some tutorials, but we don't have to click on it. Now we just have to close it. Now the next thing we have to do, so we have installed Java Jdk, and now it's time to set the environment. So let's click on start, and we have to search here for environment variables. Here we have environment variables, and now click on the environment variables option, and now let's make the system variables. For that we need to click on the path in system variables, or we just click on new, and here we type Java underscore home, and now we have to open the directory in which we have the JDK 17 folder. Let's open it. It's in drive C program files. Here we have Java, and now here we have JDK 17 folder. Now we have to just copy it, and we have to paste it in this variable value. Now it's done. Okay. Next step we have to do is we have to click on path, edit, and we have to add here new. We have %Java underscore home, the variable we set there, and next is bin. We have all the executor files in bin folder. Now click on OK. Click on OK, and it's done now. Now we have to check whether its environment variable are set or not. So we have to open command, and now here we have typed Java C.
TakeTones.com.
Here we have installed Java. Now we can compile. So let's write a first program in Java. So just search for Notepad or Notepad++. let's see it. Here we have hello world printed over here. We have compiled it in command prompt. Next time we will use different IDE for installing BlueJ, IntelliJ IDE and others. So stay connected.